Humanity's quest for exploration is taking a bold leap forward as Artemis 2 redefines space travel as we know it, taking humans further than ever before. From liftoff to splashdown, Moog has enabled every stage of NASA's exploration missions since the beginning of spaceflight.
We understand that mission of what it's doing, and it's that first time every time that it has to work. So there is no option for failure on most of our applications like this.
The Moog team in Orrville, Ohio was originally contracted in the 1960s to build actuators for NASA Kennedy's mobile launch pad that helps crew and equipment access the rocket before launch.
It was very well known already that the engineering that we put behind things, just from the applications we were on and the areas we were at with space programs and other things, that it was a company that could be well known and trusted.
The mobile launch pad has several gantries, or large bridges, that hold all the cables, fuel lines, and walkways that hook up to the rocket. As the mission gets ready to launch,
7, 6,
the Moog actuators
5,
swing the gantries clear of the rocket within a fraction of a second.
3, 2, 1.
Has to instantly move back because it'll start lifting off. It takes hundreds of gallons of hydraulic fluid to move through this to get it to actually swing in the time frame it needs to.
The original actuators were delivered in 1968 and have been used on every single launch from the mobile launch pad at Kennedy Space Flight Center,
Liftoff on Apollo 11.
from Apollo
Tower clear.
to Artemis. That's more than 100 launches.
It just shows the craftsmanship and the quality that goes into this, and the engineering too. So designing it so it could take all these loads for all this amount of time and still be functional.
And before every launch, the Gantry Actuators are tested 100 times.
Some of it's a little bit of amazement that it is still in use. They're very proud of what they've made.